middle term of the AP 213, 205, 197 dot up to 37। उस समांतर श्रेणी का मध्य पद ज्ञात कीजिए, जिस जो है इस समांतर श्रेणी का 213, 205, 197, 37, इस समांतर श्रेणी का मध्य पद ज्ञात करना है। ठीक है, yes, this one is AP, this one is an AP, where number 1 here, first term A equals to 213, AN last term AN equals to 37, D equals to what? A3 minus A2 equals to 197 minus 205 minus 8, D equals to minus 8. Common difference is minus 8. First term is minus 213 and nth term, that is last one, an equals to 37. Since an equals to what? 37, nth term, that is a plus what? N minus 1 into d equals to 37, where n is the number of terms, d is common difference and a is first term. Now the value of a 213 plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 8 equals to 37. 213 plus into minus minus 8 into n minus 1 equals to 37. 213 minus 8n minus into minus plus 8 1 is 8 equals to 37. 213 plus 8, 221 minus 8n equals to 37. 8n equals to 221 minus 37. 8n equals to 11 minus 7 4, 11 minus 3 8, 184. Therefore n equals to 184 upon 8. The value of n, a2 is 16, 8 3 is 24. Here n equals to 23. Since n equals to 23, n odd number, then middle term, therefore middle term will be n plus 1 upon 2th term. Okay, middle term, if n is odd number, then middle term should be n plus 1 upon 2th term. Okay, 23 plus 1 24 upon 2 what? 12th term. Now we have to find out the 12th term of this AP. A12 equals to A plus what? 11D. A12 equals to A plus 11D. A is 213 plus 11 into D equals to minus 8. D equals to minus 8. 213 minus 88. 13 minus 8 5. 10 minus 8 2. Therefore A12 equals to 125. The 12th term, the middle term of this AP equals to 125. तो इस समांतर श्रेणी का मध्य पद 125 होगा. That's it.